welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you all of my fidgets because I actually collect fidgets too. Dad, come over here. So
Wow.
also I'm gonna be rating them. So first one is this mini poppet butterfly poppet.
Whoa. What do you rate that? 1 to 10.
I'd rate it probably an 8 out of 10 because I really like mini poppets, but this one is kind of hard to pop, and this other side is pretty quiet.
Okay.
Next is my dimple.
Ooh.
So I'd rate the dimple maybe a 6. It is like pretty big, and some of the pops aren't that great, and my dimple is pretty dirty. All my fidgets are really dirty. They need like a bath desperately. So that's like a 7 or 6. This one is like a 2. It's not even really a fidget, honestly. It's not great.
Yeah.
Next is this mini poppet heart fidget.
Oh.
It's actually pretty good. I'd say it's better than the butterfly.
Oh.
I think
8.5?
Yeah, that's good. 8.5.
8.5.
I'll do this simple dimple next. Oh, hi, Bella.
Oh, I hear another fidgeter. Oh, there she is.
I'd rate this maybe a 7.5.
Okay.
It's pretty good, but it's pretty quiet.
It doesn't glow in the dark very good. It's supposed to glow in the dark, huh?
I actually haven't tested that out.
Oh.
Next is this. This is actually one of my favorite fidgets I have.
That one.
I forget what this is called. It's a fidget. It's kind of like a fidget cube. I think it's like.
What's your favorite thing on there?
It's actually kind of hard.
I think I like just the on and off switch.
I like this button.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a ton of fidgets on here, and it's really nice. You can press this one down and spin it.
Yeah.
Joypad. I'd give this one like a 9.5.
Oh, yep.
This, I actually really wanted one of these balls that had like these things that came out, but this one isn't that good because it's pretty small, and it comes out pretty hard. It comes out hard, and it's hard to get it out. So I'd rate this one maybe a 6.5.
Okay.
This is a super good poppet.
Ooh.
I would rate this. Wait, listen to this.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh.
I'd rate this 9.52.
Nice.
Are you getting your fidgets? Oh, she said I could have that. Oh,
cool.
this is actually a pretty good Orbeez stress ball. I'd rate it maybe like an 8. Okay, fine. Just one more thing.
Whoa.
Oh my god, she gave me another fidget.
Cool.
Here's a dimple. It's an alien dimple. There's like a
Yeah.
pop in the head. Shout out to Bella for giving me
Thank
these
you, Bella.
fidgets. A little alien dimple. I would rate it maybe a 7.5. Then we have a UFO dimple. I think this is cooler. It looks better, so I'd rate this an 8. Then I have this pea popper. It's not great. I'd rate it a 6. Then we have a wacky track.
Oh, yeah, Bella Monet. Join the video. Hi, Bella. Those are your fidgets?
Say hi to my viewers.
Oh, okay.
So I have this wacky track. I'd rate it maybe 5.5.
That's cool.
You want to show the viewers?
You guys are awesome. I'm decorating mine.
Oh.
Okay.
Then I have this one.
Listen, this is yours.
Oh. Thank you, Stella.
Okay, go ahead.
What did I rate the other wacky track? You remember?
No.
Oh.
5.5?
No, I don't. Yeah, I think it was a 5.5. Yeah. This one is probably maybe a 5 instead because it's really floppy and it's kind of hard to make the noise. And this has I rated I think a 7.
Okay.
And we have this puzzle poppet. It goes with that one, which that is a bonus point. That's 2 points, and this pops pretty good. So this is 8, but put those 2 points in, it's 10.
Yeah.
So 10 out of 10.
Nice.
Same with this one.
10 out of 10?
Also 2 out of 10.
Whoa. Oh, because you can add to them, huh?
Yeah. Then I have this dimple.
I like that one.
Dimple
Spins
digits, and it spins. I can't really spin it because my hand is too small.
Yeah.
But
I can spin it. I can rip it.
It pops.
Here, I'll hold it and you can spin it.
Pretty good.
Look, go ahead.
It pops pretty
Spin
good.
Spin it, spin it, spin it.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's pretty. I rated it a 7.5.
Cool.
Then Crazy Aaron's Thinking Footy.
Whoa.
Find all 6 emotions. This is actually pretty cool. I rate this as
There's Bella.
8.5. I've already tried it and it was pretty good. I can't open it. Well, it's a nice putty and there's a lot of like smiley faces and you have to find these. So this is an 8.5.
Okay.
This is really cute, but I can't pop it super good. Actually, I could pop it good. I'd rate it a 8.5. I can pop it pretty good. It sounds good, and
Nice.
it's really cute because it's tiny.
Good.
This is like a mini puppet. This looks nice. It's hard to pop though, so I'd rate it as 6.5. This is another spinning one. I can spin this one. And this one, I would rate it probably an 8.
Uh-huh.
This one is going to be a 7 just because it has 3 instead of 5.
Yeah, makes sense.
But this one also spins.
That's been really good though.
Yeah. Then I have this. What is it called again? Forget. Oh, pop tube. A pop tube.
Pop
Yeah.
tube.
It's a little like bent and broken right here, but it still makes the noise, which is. But I would not recommend like this taking to a movie or school because it would make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Because you can like take fidgets.
Hi, Bella.
Wait, did you give me this? Oh, I guess she gave me this.
Sweet.
Oh, Bella, you're gonna mix up our fidgets. Yeah, well, that's all her fidgets. Cool. So right here is another wacky track. Guess I have all the wacky tracks now.
Wow.
Rate this a 5, I guess. I don't like wacky tracks that much. This is a Rubik's Cube, and I don't like Rubik's Cubes that much.
Alright.
So, I mean, honestly, I don't even think they're fidget. Why is it even this? I think it is a fidget, but I rated a 3.6.
Oh.
3.5.
Okay.
We have another mini puppet.
Yeah.
It pops pretty good, and I collect mini puppets, so I'd give this
Nice.
an 8.5.
Very cool.
This puppet, it's not the best puppet. On this side, it's pretty quiet.
Yeah.
And it's rainbow though, so that's pretty cool. I had rated maybe a 6.5. Oh, hi Nova. Hi Nova. No, hi. Then I have this crystal stress ball. Give me a
Ooh, that's a cool
crystal
one.
stress.
Yeah,
Oh, Nova.
very cool.
Yeah,
What's
I
that?
rate this 9.
Whoa, that's cool.
Nova. Nova.
All right.
Fidgets. Okay, so then we have a monkey noodle. I don't like monkey noodles.
Oh, that's cool. He's as a lure for fishing.
Yeah. Oh, hi Nova. Yep. Patrick. But I don't like monkey noodles that
See
much. I rated a 5.
Yeah, could make that a worm.
5. I rated 5. Oh, hi Nova. Camera on Nova. Aw, Dad. Well, that's a 5. Rate this simple dimple. I rated maybe. Come on, you can't just keep giving these to me. Okay. I'd rate this 7.5. Patches, what are you doing?
Okay. You about done?
No. Yeah. I'll do this fast. Okay. This pop's pretty good. I give it a 7.5. Then I have this Among Us bag thing, but you have to zip it to get the pop, so it pops good and it's Among Us.
Yeah.
Among Us.
Cool.
So I rated a 7.5.
That's cool.
This is a super good pop it.
Ooh.
Like it pops really good. It's really nice. I'd give this a 9.5.
Nice.
This is a glow in the dark pop it. It's not great. It pops good, but I don't like it that much, so I'd give it a 7.5.
Okay.
This alone is just not a good fidget. I don't like this, but this would be good on a long car ride. I'd give this a 5.
Okay.
This is a nice poppet. But I'd give it a 7 maybe. It's a nice mini poppet. I really like fidget pads. I only have one, but there's this thumb thing. There's this spinny thing. There's this
Oh, that's cool.
joypad. There's this spinny thing. You can like drink this.
Oh,
There's a switch.
Wow. What do you rate this one?
Wait, nothing yet. Buttons.
Wow, it's a little controller.
So I rate this. I rated 8.5.
Oh.
This is it pops good, but it pops good, but the pops are kind of like floppy and squishy, which I don't like.
Looks like a 6.
The poppet is squishy. I'd give it a 5.5.
Okay.
No, actually a 6.5.
Okay.
This my sister gave me.
Is that Everlasting Gobstopper?
No. I don't know how to use this, but I think you just squish it. I give it a 3.5. What? What?
It says squishes hard. Squish.
Yeah, but that's what I've been doing.
Okay.
You have to squish it.
Okay.
So that's
All right.
almost. Pop Dude, just like the green one. like a 5. My little sister gave me this.
How many?
I rated 6.5.
I gave it a 7.5 because your sister gave it to you.
Hey Bella, do you know where my gray fidget cube is? The gray one? Well, if the gray one isn't broken, it's smaller. It's gray. The buttons are green. It's like neon.
I remember that
I
one.
would give that one an 8.5. I don't know where it is.
I remember that one.
This is either an ice cream. I'd say it's a yogurt, but my mom says it's ice cream. I'd give it a 5. Another triple dimple. And this is 7.5. This isn't a great mini puppet. It's okay, I guess. This is 7.
Yeah.
This Simple Dimple, I'd give it an 8.5. It's the classic Simple Dimple. I like the colors on it.
Classic.
This Triple Dimple is the classic Triple Dimple.
Oh my goodness.
So I'd give this 8.5. A mini lobster puppet. It's
Mini what?
Its buttons are pretty squishy, but I'd give it an 8.5.
Very cool.
So there's this collector's little fidget guys, and they're called fidget pets or poppet pets. Sorry. And my little sister gave me this. His name is Prince Party, and he's really rare. He's really rare. So I have a rare poppet pet. She has a few poppet pets, and I have this snapper.
That's cool. I like those ones.
Give it a 6.5. Wait, Bella, do you want to show them yours? Why'd you set them up? Okay, I guess I'll show. Well, I can't rate them and show all of them today, but I'd say Bella's collection is pretty good.
Yeah.
I barely have.
We can save that for another video.
Yeah. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye, guys.
Bye.